Hi everyone, let's make mandala art from start to finish in Adobe Illustrator. First, take two lines, one horizontal and one vertical. Align them to the center. Open the layer panel and choose both the lines. Now go to Effect, Distort and Transform, then Transform. Now change the angle at which you want to create the mirror image. Now choose number of copies that you want and hit OK. Again, go to Effect and hit Transform. Again, this time get one copy only, reflect in X-axis. Now see if it's working. Make a design. Now select all the design. Go to the object and expand appearance. Again, expand the whole image. Now unselect it and again select it. Ungroup the design until it's completely ungrouped. Now you can remove the guidelines we created earlier. Select the design and go to Pathfinder and unite the design.